Here we are, Tunda Rehema Charity. We are a charitable organization working the field of education for orphans, children, and as well as agriculture for women who are widowed. So as you can see today, we came here at Epe Mumbiri just to distribute notebook for these children that you see behind us, and now we come to finish to distribute those notebooks. Here I am. I'm with a director of the school, and at my right I am with our coordinator of Tunda Rehema Charity in DR Congo. So we say thanks for our donors. We say thanks for everyone who contributes to achieve this project. We say thanks particularly to Pastor Joshua Rizibuka for this good heart that he showed us just to help these people to access to their education right. So may God bless us. May God bless Tunda Rehema Charity. May God bless Epe Mumbiri. We say thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
À Tunda Rehema Charity,
We say thanks a lot to Tunda Rehema Charity
qui est venu nous assister, qui a aidé nos enfants
that came to assist us and to contribute to our children,
à des fournitures scolaires.
to give them the school kits.
Vraiment, nous sommes tellement ravis.
And we are grateful.
Ça vous, les enfants étudient très mal.